Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of Rourkela News. The headlines at this hour. Initiative by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant to promote and maximize use of ash products. PIW on safe handling on engine on load wagons at OB and BP organized. An Employee of the Month award function held at Public Relations Department. Now the news in detail. Taking another step forward to promote and maximize the use of ash products like fly ash, clinker and bottom ash generated from its power plant, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has started an initiative to make these materials reach the doorsteps of the users free of cost. With this, RSP has become the first unit in SAIL and first thermal power plant in the state of Odisha to adopt this green initiative. It is worth mentioning here that for protection of air and maintaining the blue skyline, RSP has installed 7 electrostatic precipitators in its captive plant 1. The fly ash separated in the ESPs is stored in elevated hoppers for further utilization. Notably, fly ash, clinker and bottom ash generated from the power plant are used in fly ash brick making, pavement making, as soil conditioner and also find application in making of various building construction material. Till now, RSP was giving fly ash free of cost to the ash users. To further enhance and promote use of these ash products, RSP decided to bear the transportation cost and make them available at the doorsteps of users free of cost. To this effect, RSP has formulated a scheme and issued dispatch orders to the ash users. The steel plant is planning to give 1200 cubic meter of fly ash, 1000 cubic meter of clinker and 1120 cubic meter of bottom ash every month to the ash users. The first consignment of ash products was flagged off by Mr. S.C. Patnaik, GM Power and Mr. S.K. Thakur, DGM in charge CPP1 on 28 February at CPP1. A 2-day performance improvement workshop PIW on safe handling on engine on load wagons at OB and BP was held at CPTI on 23rd and 24th February. The inaugural session was presided over by Mr. A. Mishra, GM OB and BP, and Mr. P.K. Satpathy, GMT and RM. In all, 33 employees from OBBP and traffic and raw material attended the program. The workshop included technical classroom sessions on engine on load EOL concept and its impact on business, measures and strategies for handling EOL wagons at OBBP, mechanical aspects of equipment availability for timely unloading of EOL rakes, electrical aspects of minimizing unloading delays with respect to EOL rakes and safe working practices while dealing with EOL operation. The sessions were conducted by in-house faculties from OBBP, namely Mr. P.B. Shinde, AGM, Mr. B.S. Pradhan, AGM, Mr. S. Rana, AGM, and from Traffic and Raw Material, Mr. A.K. Behra, DGM, and Mr. S. Patra, AGM. Syndicate discussions were held and action plans were prepared on safe handling of EOL wagons in OB and BP. The action plans were later presented and discussed in detail during the valedictory session. The valedictory session was presided over by Mr. N. Kumar, IRTS Area Manager, Mr. A. Mishra, GM OB and BP, and Mr. P.K. Satpathy, GMT and RM. The program was coordinated by Mr. S. Mohanty, DGM CPTI. An Employee of the Month award giving function was organized at Public Relations Department on 27th February. Mr. Ramendra Kumar, DGM PR and COC, presided over the function and presented the Employee of the Month award to Mr. Nage Mahato, Senior Technician TV, and Mr. Ratnakar Moharana, Senior Executive Assistant for the month of October and December 2017 respectively. Present on the occasion were other officers and employees of the department. Mr. Kumar appreciated the commitment and dedication of both Mr. Mahato and Mr. Moharana and exhorted others to emulate the same. It may be noted that Mr. Mahato was awarded for contributing in production of 2 skits presented by the school students on Swachhta awareness by using full chroma technique for the first time in RSTV, which were commended in various forums. Similarly, Mr. Moharana was awarded for handling various aspects of publication of the statutory advertisements, which were critical in nature and needed meticulous attention because of the financial implications. Mr. A.C. Naik, Assistant Manager PR, coordinated the event. That's all we have for you from our news desk. Namaskar.